my projects change all the time, always trying to upgrade, get these ideas. So the other day I went to Home Depot and was trying to find new boxes. They're a little too small, you know, and I had a feeling they were. I was going to transplant these two guys, but you know what? I think I'll just leave it the way it was. I removed some trees from over there, put in some green giants to create the mega wall, and I bought these. I don't like the way they look. They are big. They were the biggest that they had. The problem is trying to find big, round, not even, excuse me, I didn't even really want round. Trying to find big pots because they just do not exist really, at least at Home Depot and Lowe's. So anyway, I had bought these from Lowe's. I have them in the front of my house. Extremely heavy, you know, not fun. And I was like, I'm not carrying these things, you know what I mean? And so I went online, and lo and behold, $39 to ship. I bought, what, 4 of these. How much were these? $74.98 a piece. So the crazy part is a guy comes, he was driving a Dodge Durango, and this guy picked them up. These things are heavy. I mean, I don't have the strength right now to do it on my own. I mean, I managed to move them, but this guy picked them up and put them down. Pretty amazing. So anyway, what I'm going to do is take these out, put them in there. Even though it kind of looks smaller, I just have to. I just can't stand the way that looks. It's a shame. And I'm going to transplant probably these two maybe today if I have the strength. And, you know, with the sunlight, I hate the sun. So I usually put gravel on the bottom. I got so many rocks. I'm going to put these on the bottom, okay, for irrigation. And then I'm going to put in my little bit of screen so that the water could flow through. I have so many rocks. I got no choice. I got to do something with these rocks. And these are not a bad size or whatever. So this way, the hole in the bottom, that it just doesn't get waterlogged. And I've done this for all of them that I have. I usually use like regular stones that you would use for underneath pavers or something like that. But no, there's no reason. It's cool. The only thing is, I just hope I don't know if this is really big enough for this, but I got no choice. I got to make it happen because it kind of looks cheap to me. The other thing is this thing, it's not going to blow in the wind. That's for sure, you know. Right, there you go. What I do is I have a bucket over there, and then I hose these things out. Just get all the dirt off them and stuff like that. Let them dry out. Even makes it even better. So that, you know, this way it's at a decent... Here's my crappy job here. And now I'll start to slowly put the soil in so I don't mess that up.